Hello, so we have a day 4 of a UI challenge, and today we will be looking at creating a calculator. For everyone who is new to this channel, I'm Nikki, product manager and also a startup founder, and I'm doing this UI challenge to learn how to use Figma, so that's our main goal, but also to improve my UI skills. So yeah, let's get into it. Maybe like this, but it's not very readable, right? But it's pretty. What matters more, readable or pretty? Usually I would say readable, so let's go with readable. Okay, so I think I finished. I have 4 options here. It was quite fast. I do like the result, and it's very simple, quite cute. I do probably like the most this one, and then the second I like these two, this mint. Not so sure about it. So the style I was trying to do is called Neomorphism. I think it worked out quite well. It's my first Neomorphism design. Very simple calculator. I didn't want to overcomplicate things because I think the calculator just should be kept simple because you're trying to focus on the job, but this makes it kind of more interesting. I think on the phone you would be actually feeling that you want to push the buttons. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in product, UX, UI, design, startup, anything like that, consider subscribing to this channel and smashing like on this video. It's definitely going to help boost the algorithm, and I will see you in the next one, day 5 of a UI challenge.